In this lecture, we will talk about addition and subtraction of matrices. In addition and subtraction of matrices, we have to consider that if suppose we are having two matrices A and B and their dimensions are m into n, then the sum of A and B, which is denoted by A plus B as well, is a matrix which is obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. For this, we can have an example such as if a matrix A is 1 minus 2 2, 0 minus 1 3, and matrix B is minus 3 0 4, 2 1 minus 4. So in order to add them, we have to add their corresponding elements. For example, 1 will be added with its corresponding element, which is minus 3, resulting in minus 2. Then minus 2 will be added with 0. This will give a result of minus 2 again. Then 2 should be added with 4, giving a result of 6. After that, similarly, we will add 0 and 2, giving result of 2. Minus 1 will be then added with 1, giving a result of 0. And in the last, 3 will be added with minus 4, giving the result of minus 1. Remember, only matrices with the same dimensions can be added and subtracted. The resulting matrix has the same dimensions of the two matrices being added or subtracted. Now consider another example. If we want to add these two matrices, what will happen? So we have to add the corresponding elements of each matrix. So resulting in minus 2 minus 4. It has come from after adding minus 2 with minus 4. And similarly, the other elements will be added. So therefore, we will get a result of minus 6, 6, 4, minus 12, minus 8, 8, 9, 5, and minus 1. Let's have another example. So we have a matrix with a dimension of 2 by 2, which means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. And we want to add this matrix with another matrix whose dimensions are 2 by 3, means 2 rows and 3 columns. So can we add them first of all? We cannot. Why? Because they are of different dimensions. It's mandatory that if we want to add or subtract two matrices, their dimensions should be same. Consider now an example of subtraction. In this case, again, we have to first check whether we can add them or we can subtract them. Yes, we can, because they are of the same dimensions. Both are having an order of 2 by 2. Both are having 2 rows and 2 columns. Now 2 will be subtracted by minus 4 because we have to subtract the corresponding elements. Similarly, minus 18 will be subtracted by 2. In the same way, 20 should also be subtracted by minus 5, and minus 5 should be subtracted by minus 1. These 4 subtractions will give us a resultant matrix. 6 minus 20, 25 minus 6. Minus 2 minus minus 4 will become 6. Minus 18 minus 2 will become minus 20. 20 minus minus 5 means 20 will be added with 5. We will be getting a result of 25. Minus 5 minus 1 will become minus 6. Let's have another example. Again, we are going to subtract two matrices, but this time the matrices are of dimensions 3 by 3. The dimensions are same, so we can subtract them in the same way as we have done it before. The corresponding elements will be subtracted, resulting in this matrix. Now, we can also solve the equations by addition and subtraction. So how we can solve it? The rightmost matrix will come on the left hand side of the equation and its sign will be changed. The matrix A will go on the right side and its minus sign will become positive. Now after that, it's quite visible as well that we can subtract these two matrices because they are of the same dimensions. So after their subtraction, the result will be the answer of unknown A, which is a matrix of elements 0, -5, -1, 1, 2 and 10. I hope this would clear all of your concepts related to addition and subtraction of matrices.